This creature is not confirmed to be real.
We interrupt this program. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. The following message has been transmitted by the request of the United States government. A robot that looks like a golden bear, which is confirmed to be the horror game character Golden Freddy, has been hijacking electronics, playing weird messages with text saying "it's me." And it would should the golden bear, which there has been reports of people getting killed by these hijacks. For your own safety, please listen to these instructions.